One of the conference sessions is about infrastructure, and I'm talking to Oliver Laslett about this particular session. How would you characterise this from a CSS perspective?
I think when you look at a city, really you see the archetype of what a complex system is. You have lots of individual agents interacting, and they have their own objectives, and the government in a way provides these kind of shared resources, and we're trying to figure out a way to most efficiently get people in the city to use the infrastructure, the transport, the energy.
So what sort of behaviours do you see?
Well, what we see is really, in many ways, unpredictable behaviours. For example, we've seen that if we build a road somewhere where we think it's going to help the system, we find actually it can slow traffic down and make congestion worse. So really trying to understand how these behaviours work and what's going on underneath is really quite difficult.
And what do you get from this?
Well, what we find is that we can... Okay, we'll do that one again.
Okay. So what do you get from this?
Well, what we get from this is a new way of looking at a city from the bottom up. So let's try and model all these individual components in a simple way. So how does somebody behave in the city? How does a company behave in the city? How does the government respond to demand? And how does the transport infrastructure work? And that's, in a way, both more descriptive and an easier way to model the system than trying to tackle it as one big top-down approach.
And why is complex system simulation such a good approach?
Because complexity provides the tools to understand how these small, simple agents, the people in the city and the government, how they all interact and how that leads to this kind of complex outcome and what a metropolis is and how a city works.
Oliver, thank you very much.